So here we have a 2015 Renault Zoe. Just going to do a quick video about the door rubbers. While I'm here, it's worth checking this is still present. These often go missing. They only cost about 80p or something from Renault. But anyway, door rubbers. Because these Renault Zoes don't have roof channels or gutters like older cars did, well in fact most modern cars don't, these door rubbers act as the channels for all the rainwater. So the water runs off the roof, down the channels, down to the front of the door, and as you can see it's all sculptured and all the water runs down there, and the windscreen rubber here is hollow and the cutout here to allow all the water to run out. So these need cleaning regularly. It's worth running a vacuum cleaner nozzle down inside to get all the debris out, and I've just cleaned this one with some cleaner, running a cloth down. They do get very dirty. If there's muck in here when you open the door, it causes a bit of a suction, it lifts the muck out and it all falls down and falls onto your seat. So it's well worth keeping these clean. And then looking at the back door, again same channel doing the same job, and then the water runs down here, runs down the inside of the door, hits the inner door seal, and it just runs down the channel here on your bodywork and then all down onto your sills. So the sills on these cars are always dirty because the muck from the roof is running down here, and as you'll notice, this inner seal, it gets a lot of muck on the inside here. So it's well worth wiping all of this over with a cloth every now and then, or running a vacuum cleaner down. It gets particularly dirty around here. You can lift this up slightly, but don't pull it too much because there is a clip under there which is very difficult to get the rubber back in the clip. But if you just bend that over, you can get a cloth in there and clean it all. But these corners and down here will always be dirty. But it's nothing unusual for the Zoe. A lot of modern cars have this design, but it's well worth just keeping these channels clean.